Hashtag ring was the tweet sent by Twitter this morning at 9:30 a.m. when the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange rang. When shares finally opened, the first trade was at $45.10. That is 73% above the offering price of $26. They later soared as much as 92%, in large part as retail investors swooped in. Max Wolf of ZT Wealth.
It's dangerous if and only if the person really thinks this is a great long-term investment. It could be, but if this is being done to be part of something, to have the certificate, to have the boasting rights, to tell everybody at the cocktail party, then it's a cost of entertainment.
And in many cases, expensive boasting rights. Shares of Twitter closed their first day at $44.90, below that first trade. Crowds were thick outside the New York Stock Exchange and inside the exchange, cheering the launch of the 7-year-old social media phenomenon. The opening price valued shares at 22 times expected sales for the next year. That's close to double rivals Facebook and LinkedIn. If the full over-allotment is exercised, which is pretty likely, Twitter will have raised $2.1 billion. That puts it only behind Facebook, which raised $16 billion last year. Twitter's 230 million users include world leaders and celebrities, but it does not have a profit. Its growth potential, though, is off the charts, according to Wolf.
I think this is one of the companies that's built to last. I think it does incredibly well in journalism. I think it's going to become the second screen with television. I think it has an incredibly bright future. The question is only, how bright is that future? Because at this point, at $46, you have to believe the future of Twitter is brighter than the sun.
Twitter's debut on the New York Stock Exchange, led by Goldman Sachs, went off without a hitch, a relief after the Facebook fumble at the NASDAQ last year.